Hello everybody, I'm back again. It's been a while since I made a video. Right now I bought another cube. I got another one of these cubes. Just a regular old Rubik's Cube, but they're the new version that don't have stickers and I like them a lot. They're just, the plastic pieces themselves are colored so you can't take the stickers off. These are the old ones. They got stickers on them and they wear out and they get old. And I know these ones will last a lot longer, and I'm pretty happy about the purchase. But I wanted to see how fast I could solve 3 of them in a row, and so I'm gonna mix them all up even more on film. I'm just gonna mix them up, mix them up, mix them up. Anyways. I'm gonna see. I've been trying to learn new algorithms, but man, for the steps for the Friedrich method is called the CFOP. It's called the CFOP for the Friedrich method, which is the cross, first 2 layers, orienting the last layer, and permuting the last layer. So OLL, CLL. No, it's a cross, F2L, OLL, PLL. And so, but for OLL, there's 57 different cases for OLL, and so there's like 50 different algorithms. And I've been trying to learn like 7 new ones, and it's a pain in the ass. It's hard to memorize new algorithms. Anyways, got them all mixed up, and hopefully I can get a decent time. I'll start when it gets 2:15. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. I'm just gonna solve them as fast as I can. Might not be very fast, but I can try. One can dream, right? Alright, I got the cross on this one. I'm doing F2L, first 2 layers. I got 1 corner in. Let's see. Let's get this corner. Got next corner in. Next corner. 1 more corner left for first 2 layers. And then I'm going on. Alright, got the second layer done. Now I'm going for OLL. And oh man, I wish I would have memorized that algorithm because it came in handy. OLL is done. Now for PLL, permuting the last layer. Alright, done. Next cube. Alright, I'm not messing around this time. I'm warmed up. What the heck? Okay. I got the cross. Doing the first 2 layers now. on the second cube. And I got one corner left to put in, and it's already ready. Alright, time for OLL. And I got a bad variation again, because I don't know the perfect algorithm for it. I just do this same algorithm until I get it. Alright. Oh, sweet. Now I just need one last algorithm, and that's for permuting the last layer, aka solving. Alright, that one's done. Alright, last cube. And we're at, I just got a little bit more time. Wow. Alright. I got the cross. Or plus, however you want to say it. It's just a plus. It's not really a cross. I had somebody get all religious on me the other day. They said, "Why do you always do the white side for the cross first? Is that, that's, are you religious?" Or I said, "No. I just like having the white first." It's what most pros use, is the white layer for the first one. For the first one, I dropped my fucking camera. Oh well. I got F2L done. First two layers. And now I'm going for OLL. Got a bad variation again. Oh man, this is a nightmare. Oh my god. Oh, solved! Alright guys. I don't know what my time was. Let me know in the comments below if you know the time. I got all of them solved though. Alright. Peace.